Welcome to today's deep dive. We're on a mission today to really cut through the jargon of some highly specific pro-level AV tech.
Yeah, we are looking at the Atlona HT-DSCV3-TX. It is a USB 3.2 extender transmitter.
Right, the Discovery Series 3. You can pick it up from HDTVSupply for like $495.
Which is a solid price point for what it actually does.
Exactly. Because, trying to run high-speed data over long distances is usually like trying to drink a really thick milkshake through a mile-long coffee stir.
That is a painfully accurate analogy.
Right. It just doesn't work. So today we are looking at what is basically the ultimate industrial-sized straw.
Because to really understand why this specific hardware is such a game changer, we first need to look at the physical limits it's breaking.
I mean, the actual distance between our source machines and our displays, right?
Exactly. Standard USB just degrades over distance. But this device transmits data up to 90 meters via Cat6 or Cat7 cables.
Wait, 90 meters. That is almost 300 feet.
Yep, nearly 300 feet. And it uses the USB 3.2 Gen 1x1 standard to hit these blazing fast 5 gigabit per second transfer rates.
Wow, that is fast.
It is, while still remaining entirely backwards compatible with legacy USB 3.0, 2.0, and even 1.1 setups.
Okay, so I have to push back a little bit here.
Go for it.
I mean, what does this all mean in reality? Is this just a $495 90-meter extension cord?
Well, no. What's fascinating here is the active management going on.
What do you mean?
It's the ability to maintain massive 5 gigabit data integrity over nearly 300 feet. It actively repackages the signal so you ensure those modern speeds don't just break your legacy equipment.
Oh, okay. But, pushing data is really only half the battle.
Oh, for sure.
Because if you have to plug everything into a wall at both ends, and then you have to physically walk 300 feet to turn on a screen.
It's still a massive headache.
Exactly. Which leads to, I think, this device's true superpower, power and control.
Right. It features POH, or power over HDBaseT.
Meaning you only need a wall plug at one end.
Yep. It actually includes a PSE module that provides 90 watts of charging power right back to the connected host.
Wait, so I can charge my main laptop with 90 watts and run a display 300 feet away.
Yep, completely seamlessly.
With two-way control while only plugging into one wall socket. That's like remote control AV magic.
It really is. The RS-232 pass-through is what allows you to control the display from the source location or vice versa.
That makes so much sense.
And this really grounds it in real-world application. Like if you look at user reviews from HDTVSupply.
Oh yeah, like the one from Victoria in LA.
Exactly. She noted that these systems are just incredibly easy for retail staff to use across multiple locations.
Right, because you don't have 50 different cords everywhere.
Exactly. It's all about simplifying complex architecture into a really compact, space-saving design.
So the takeaway here is that the Atlona HT-DSCV3-TX basically solves distance, power, and control all at once over a single cable.
Which is huge.
It is. And for you listening, whether you are, wiring a multi-screen retail setup or just trying to hide your massive PC away from your clean desk.
Which we all want.
Right. Yeah. Understanding how enterprise tech minimizes cable clutter really helps you design better personal spaces.
Absolutely.
But, it does leave me with a lingering thought.
What's that?
Well, if a single Ethernet cable can now seamlessly carry 5 gigabits of data, 90 watts of power, and two-way control signals across an entire football field.
Yeah.
How close are we to a completely wireless, plugless future?
That is the big question.
Or will the humble, hardwired connection forever remain the undisputed king of reliability? Something for you to think about.